Brainstorming profitable business ideas begins with identifying problems that people already pay to solve. A useful first step is to watch where frustration appears in daily life, in workplaces, or in industries that still rely on outdated methods. Problems with repeated pain, clear urgency, and measurable costs often point to stronger opportunities than vague wants. One practical technique is to start from personal experience. Skill, inconvenience, and repeated exposure can reveal gaps that others overlook. A person who has worked in logistics may notice inefficiencies in scheduling, while someone in healthcare may see paperwork bottlenecks or communication failures. Familiarity with a field helps transform hidden friction into business insight. Another approach is to study existing markets and look for what customers dislike about current options. Profitable ideas do not always require inventing something entirely new. They can emerge by improving speed, convenience, pricing, service quality, or trust. A business that makes a familiar process easier can often win customers even in a crowded market. Trend analysis is also valuable. Changes in technology, regulation, demographics, and consumer behavior create new demand. A shift toward remote work can increase the need for collaboration tools, home office services, and cybersecurity support. An aging population can create opportunities in care, accessibility, and simplified health services. The key is to connect the trend to a specific pain point with buying power. Talking to potential customers is one of the most reliable techniques. Short interviews, surveys, and informal conversations can expose whether a problem is real, how often it occurs, and what people currently do about it. The goal is not to sell immediately, but to learn language, priorities, and willingness to pay. Ideas become stronger when they are shaped by direct evidence rather than assumption. Another method is to combine two existing industries or business models in a new way. Many profitable ideas come from adaptation rather than invention. A subscription model can be applied to products that were once sold one time. A service that works in one sector may solve a similar need in another. Cross-pollination often reveals business angles that are simple, practical, and scalable. It is also useful to evaluate ideas through a filter of profit potential. A strong idea usually has a clear customer, recognizable demand, reasonable acquisition cost, and room for healthy margins. It should be possible to explain the value proposition in one sentence. If the idea is difficult to understand, hard to deliver, or unable to reach enough buyers, it may be better pursued later. Finally, the best ideas often appear after many iterations. Brainstorm broadly, then narrow the list by testing assumptions, comparing competitors, and estimating revenue against effort. A profitable business idea is rarely only creative.